Alright, we are going back to the Legacy challenge. So the age step last time, the people wasn't sure I tried to get all the skills up to level 3 and 5, 3 up in. So hopefully it does work. My own good deal. But we shall see about that. I did get to get them a little bit aged up in the right way. I thought I did also, I really noticed, you know, like with the infant update, about the updates infant back. I do like they got, if you've been looking after them, you get like a bonus trait of like well looked after infant. I really like that. I'm also found out through this playthrough, independent toddlers are brilliant. More of that. And this time toddlers weren't too bad. I'm gonna play the world. Maybe on shorts. Herself, I think on shorts today they may be easier. But we're basically aging them up today when the oedran of fyny heddiw. So Mai has got really cute. Oh, Tiana'n clean. Cat's really cute. Ma'r dillad yn cute. Clothes are really cute. Ar gwallt hefyd. And yeah, basically we are aging them up today, I believe. Tomorrow. Okay, well, I'm going to work on some stuff and do it. So this is like a test video, so gawn ni weld os ma'n weithio. But yeah, I am going to be building up their skills and stuff. Mynd i sgiliau fyny. So dwi cael, so I think for the legacy you gotta have at least 3. We are 3 out of 3, so we just need to work on one more for both of them. I'll go out of that now. My Betiana, what do you need? 3, yeah, we need at least one more. So I'm going to do that now. And then we will try and do that. This is a test to see sut ma'n recordio PlayStation gweithio, how recording PlayStation work.